In this tutorial we will learn how to make the legendary SteamPunk goggles that change colors. For this project you will need a goggles, 2 Neopixel LED rings, jumper wire, Arduino and Visuino software. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to visuino.eu and download and install Visuino software. Start Visuino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add 2 random analog generator components. Add sine analog generator component. Add sine unsigned generator component. Add analog to color component. Add 2 Neopixels component. Select Sine Unsigned Generator 1, and in the Properties window set Amplitude to 6, Frequency to 0.8 and Offset to 6. Double-click on the Neopixels 1, and in the Pixel Groups window, drag Color Pixel to the left side and in the Properties window set Count Pixels to 12. Close the Pixel Groups window. Double-click on the Neopixels 2, and in the Pixel Groups window drag Color Pixel to the left side and in the Properties window set Count Pixels to 12. Close the Pixel Groups window. Connect Random Analog Generator 1, pin out to Analog to Color 1, pin red. Connect Random Analog Generator 2, pin out to Analog to Color 1, pin green. Connect Sine Analog Generator 1, pin out to Analog to Color 1, pin blue. Connect Analog to Color 1, pin out to Neopixels 1, pin color. Connect Analog to Color 1, pin out to Neopixels 2, pin color. Connect Sine Unsigned Generator 1, pin out to Neopixels 1, pin index. Connect Sine Unsigned Generator 1, pin out to Neopixels 2, pin index. Connect Neopixels 1, pin out to Arduino Digital pin 2. Connect Neopixels 2, pin out to Arduino Digital pin 3. On the bottom click on the Build tab. Make sure you selected the right board and port and click on the Compile Build and Upload button.